Tap the Shows List arrow to view a list of available shows. To load a show, tap the required show followed by Load. Loading a show presents a new selection of memories and changes any associated show and monitor settings. A show can be duplicated and edited. The show label and description can be updated. And to delete a show, tap a show followed by Delete. This requires confirmation. The active show cannot be deleted. To create a new show, tap the New button. A pop-up presents a list of available show templates. Select a template to start from and enter a new show label and description. By default, the show label is a timestamp. Once a label has been entered, tap Create Show and the new show will be loaded into the system based on the template selected. A list of available templates can be seen in the Templates folder. Only a user with admin privileges can access, create, and amend show templates. Once a new template has been created, a non-admin user can create their own shows from it.